Now that we have added a hero image widget, let's add a button which could work to send your visitors to see some other information, or even make a payment. Hover your cursor over the hero widget to edit. Unfold your hero frame tab. You'll see the text we just wrote. So, below it, you can just press enter in your keyboard to go one space below. We'll just type this. Open a pair of brackets and inside of them you'll type the word buttons. Like this. Select the whole text like this and align center. Now, inside this hero frame, you'll see the buttons menu. Click Add to set up your button. Click on the new button menu to unfold it. And now, you are going to see the next options. Button text. Here, you'll write the text your button will display. Destination URL. Here, you'll enter the URL or link you want your users to visit. You can even add a pop-up form for your users to subscribe. I'll be teaching you how to do this in later lectures. Let's make a practice button. I want you to choose any YouTube video, and we'll customize a new button that will send our visitors to an external video in YouTube. Open a new window. If clicking your button will send your visitors to another place, you can choose that the new destination opens in the same browser window, or tap or a new window. Check this box because it makes it easier for users to return to your website if needed. Now we will work on the next three menus for customize our button. Click on Icon to unfold the new menu. I'll explain what each option does. Icon. Here you can find hundreds of icons for your button. We will choose this icon since we will be sending our visitors to an external website. You can choose any color for your icon as well. Let's select a dark color because our button will be a light color. You can also choose any image you want from your own library. For instance, you can upload your own icons. I don't usually use this option. We are done with the icon. Let's go to the Design and Layout tab. You can adjust the width of your icon, although I suggest to leave it blank so the buttons adjust accordingly to the content. It just looks better. You can change alignment in your button to the left, right, center, and justify. If you choose justify, your button will expand to its container or column. I suggest you choose center. The page builder supports three themes for your buttons: add-on, flat, and wire. For this button, we will choose the flat theme, which is the one I recommend for hero images or when the button is placed over pictures. Here you can change the button color. Make sure to make it high contrast with your background. Otherwise, your users won't even notice your button. Select the text color for your button too. Use the same color you selected for your icon. You can also change the font size. And the rounding corners for your button. You can choose from none to completely round. In padding, you can set the amount of space you want between the button text and the text border. The higher the padding, the bigger the button will look like. We won't be working with the other attributes and SEO tab. since that option includes some other advanced settings not related to this course. Now we click on Preview to see how our button will look. There you go. Now you have a big and nice button in your hero widget. Go back and click Done. You can preview your website now. There it is. You can click the button. And now you see a new window opens in your browser. There it is. That is how you add buttons to your hero widget.